Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zions Bank for personal finance step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zions Bank website. Navigate to the personal finance section. Click on the Connect or Contact Us link. You will find various options for getting in touch. Choose the method that works best for you. If you prefer phone communication, note the customer service number provided. For email inquiries, locate the designated email address. If you want to visit in person, find the nearest branch location. Check the operating hours for that branch. Prepare any necessary documents or information beforehand. If using online chat, initiate a session through the website. Be ready to discuss your personal finance needs. For social media support, visit Zions Bank's official profiles. Send a direct message or comment for assistance. If you are a mobile banking user, log into the app. Look for customer support options within the app. Follow the prompts to connect with a representative. Ensure you have your account information handy for convenience. Once connected, clearly state your questions or concerns. Take notes during the conversation for future reference. After your inquiry, follow up if needed for additional clarity. Explore the resources available on their website for further information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.